Hello.
Oh,
Hi.
it's nice to see you. I brought you some flowers.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am. I don't know if you remember me, Fabian Rosas.
Yes, I do. You were on probation with us.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. We're just here showing some support for my partner, Arely. She's here, so she's got a couple of settings.
Okay.
I figured we'd bring you some flowers and
All right.
Just
Well,
say hi.
and you're no longer on probation.
no, ma'am.
All right. Well, congratulations. Hi, guys. Hi. All right. Well, keep up the good work. Okay.
We appreciate it. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Well, Sean, it's so nice when people do well on probation and they've completed everything.
Absolutely.
I'm like, oh,
It makes my heart.
yes. And you have a lot to do with that. Thank you. All right, who's here? It's going to be a great day. Who's here on Victor Garcia? All right, if you all approach, please. We're going to go on the record.
Let me see if I can find the print.
All right, court is calling 2022 CR 11858, State of Texas versus Victor Garcia. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Kelly Jackson for the state.
For the defense?
Miguel Hernandez for the defense.
And are you Mr. Garcia?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by indictment, you're charged with the offense of murder? The range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
We'll find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 35 years in the prison, and there are no applications. Of course, you're not eligible for deferred adjudication for murder. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense is at the plea?
It is.
State is at the plea?
Yes, sir.
All right, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We do.
All right, anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, we would ask that the court go along with the plea bargain offer. We believe that it should satisfy the actions of my client. He's taking full responsibility, Your Honor. The only thing we would ask, other than for you to follow, is that there was a mental situation. He has been psyched. He has been found competent, but he is on medication. So we would ask that for his sentencing, if he be put in the medical units, the court could recommend that for him, because I believe that he does have mental issues, but the medication is taking care of it. And it was determined at the time of the incident, he did know he did streamline it.
All right, State?
Your Honor, the family is present in the courtroom. They do not wish to get a victim.
All right, and so they're aware of this sentence and in agreement with it? All right, the court is finding you guilty. The court will sentence you to 35 years in the prison. There's credit for any time served. And I'll request the mental health unit. However, it's completely up to the prison, but I'll request the mental health and
Thank you, Judge.
therapeutic unit.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. So I understand that sometimes people do things and then later they regret it. I read the stipulations and I've seen the stipulations that there's issues of maybe drug-induced psychosis and also mental health issues on top of that. You're going to have to change your ways. You're going to have to get a handle on your mental health issues and also your drug issues. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Because somebody is no longer here because of your actions. All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.